What is the government up to now? The New World Order, the One World Government. What is their new weapon to control the masses? This is Pastor Dave. It's Bible Prophecy in the News, March 12th, 2012. Are you ready for this one? March 12th, Washington. You're not going to see it. You're not going to hear it. You're not going to smell it. But you're going to feel it, explains U.S. Marine Colonel Tracy Tafolla, Director of Joint Non-Lethal Weapons Directorate, Marine Corps Base Quantico, at a demonstration for members of the media. The effect is so repellent, the immediate instinct is to flee, and quickly, as experienced by AFP at the presentation. Tafolla is quick also to point out the active denial system beam. While powerful in long range, some 1,000 meters, 0.6 miles, is the military's safe, non-lethal capability that has been deployed over 15 years but never used in the field. It was deployed briefly in Afghanistan in 2010 but never employed in operation. The technology has attracted safety concerns, possibly because the beam is often confused with the microwave commonly used by consumers to rapidly heat food. Now they're going to microwave the people. You're going to flee as you're being nuked. There are a lot of misperceptions out there. Lamented Tafolla, saying the Pentagon was keen to make clear what the weapon is and what it is not. We're going to trust the Pentagon. The frequency of the blast makes all the difference for actual injury as opposed to extreme discomfort, stressed Stephanie Miller, who measured the system's radio frequencies bio effects at the Air Force Research Laboratory. The system ray is 95 gigahertz, a frequency absorbed very superficially, said Miller. The beam only goes 1/64th of an inch, 0.4 millimeters, which gives a lot more safety. Oh, we're going to be nice and safe as they beam us with a microwave of radiation. So we behave and we conform. We take the mark of the beast. We do as we're told. We run. Oh, we're going to be running, all right. We have done over 11,000 exposures on people. Where are they at? Where are they buried? In that time, we've only had 2 injuries that required medical attention, and in both cases, injuries were fully recovered without complications, she said. In contrast, microwave, listen to me, beloved people, microwave frequency is around 1 gigahertz, which moves faster and penetrates deeper. What if they just turn it up a little bit? It's like a timer on your microwave oven if they want to aim this at you. Let's cook him for 20 minutes, which is how it can cook meat in an oven, said top researcher Diana Laurie. New weapon, new world order. That's what we have to look forward to. Come, Lord Jesus. Come quickly. Come quickly. Leave me comments. I want to know your thought, your comments on this new U.S. military, its new lethal, non-lethal, I'm going to say lethal, heat ray weapon. And we thought HAARP was bad. Leave me comments, everyone. God bless.